What is up, guys? I'm Uriel Soto, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an alert bar for your WordPress website. Now, I know that a lot of you guys, pretty much I think everyone is going through the whole, you know what's going on. Don't want my video to get demonetized here. So basically a lot of companies are adding alert bars, letting people know that they're still in business or how it's going to affect them. So stuff like that. So yeah, let's just dive right into this. I'm going to actually shrink my screen here. And if you're wondering what I'm using to record, I'm actually using Zoom and I'm just recording the call. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm just kind of testing it out. I only like the feature with the background, so that's kind of why I'm using that for now. Might change it up a little bit later. So yeah. So first thing you're gonna need to do is head over to your dashboard and go to plugins, and we're gonna be using a plugin. And I would just kind of type in alert bar, and the plugin should pop up here. I forgot the exact name, but it's this plugin right here. So this is a plugin that you're going to be installing. It's called the hash bar. So go ahead and install that, and then let's activate it. And now I'm going to move this over here actually. Now let's head over to the settings. So click on hash bar here. Now we're going to add a notification bar, and we're just going to title this bar. So I'm just going to call this alert bar. And then let's just say, I don't know. I'm honestly just going to type in some fake text in here, and then I'll show you guys what I mean. I'm just going to grab something here real quick. Just grab that text, probably paste it in here. And, you could probably add something, because I know most websites will probably add something on there that's just letting their customers know how they're going to handle things. So usually it's just going to be a text letting them know, and then a link. Probably just I mean, you don't really have to add a button. You can just link this and then have them go to that. So just be like, click, actually add it at the end, wherever you're gonna put it. You can just click here, So I would just go ahead and center this, and then make the background. Actually expand this, and then go ahead and make the background white. And then after that, add a link in here. So add the link to your page where you're gonna kind of be discussing what's going on, or whatever alert you may have, just kind of where you're gonna discuss it more in depth. So just link that page here, and then actually I'm just gonna add a fake link in there, add that in. So that's fine. You won't be able to see the text right now, only if you highlight it. Just make sure first you type it all out, and then once it's set, then make it white. Then what you're going to do down here is you're going to change the background color to red, because that's where, or you can change it to whatever color you want your bar to be, but I'm going to change it to red. And then you can obviously you can have it on a specific page as well, but not going to go through that right now. So then just click publish. And then let's go ahead and actually, sorry, that was actually another video I did. If you guys want to learn how to create a downloadable button, I will have a video on that as well, where you guys can actually see that. Let me go see what's going on here. So for some reason we have that little light thing on there. Might just be my theme that has it, to be honest. You guys should not have that issue. I've done this on let me remove this. I've done this on multiple websites, so it's just probably my theme that's doing this. That's what I'm thinking that it is, because it's kind of weird. Look at that. Might even be a plugin that I have that I just need to delete here. Yeah, it's this one. So this came with the theme that I was doing earlier. Okay. So yeah, like I said, it's only because of a plugin. So now we have that bar here, and they can go ahead and click on this and go to a link. Let me go back, and I'll actually add a link on here too as well. So let's go back in here, and I'm gonna go in here. Oops. I'm gonna go ahead and select all of this again, and I'm gonna make this bold. Actually, guys, you're gonna want to make that bold. Highly suggest you do that. And then I'm just gonna add a link in here. I'm gonna do /about. Might not even have that page made. We'll see where that goes anyway. But just to really show you guys an example. As far as, I mean, if you wanted to adjust the width, these are the settings I kind of didn't really go through. But to be honest, like you can, change the close button if you want. Pretty self-explanatory. So, but let me know if you do have questions on those. Okay, so there you have it. And then now you can just go to whatever alert you have there. So clearly this is my about page. So, and then if people just don't want to see that anymore, they can just click the little box, the little exit box. And then if they do want to see it again, it's kind of cool. It has a little arrow there. So it's actually pretty cool. Now, if you do have Elementor, I actually you know what? I'll actually show you how to do it with Elementor. You won't even need a plugin if you're using Elementor. But and this is just something extra that I'll add to this video. If you're not using Elementor, then really disregard this next part here. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and delete this, and I'm just gonna show you how to create it on Elementor. If you don't know how to do that, but basically, I actually have a video on how to create a header and footer. But once you have those created, and you're using Elementor, and you can use either Elements Kits or header footer Elementor. Like I said, I do have a video on that. So create the header, and then you can actually watch this video. But I mean, you probably already know how to do that anyway. So, but just in case you don't, I mean, pretty much you would just add a bar. You would just add a bar here, and then grab some text, put it in the middle, probably make the background, red, make the text, probably just stylize the text here, have your alert, and then just add a link to this wherever you want it to go. And if you even wanted to do a button instead, like let's say you wanted a button, actually, you can actually do that as well. So just move this over. Maybe you want it next to your button, right? So just go ahead and grab button here, stylize it, of course. I would probably, if I was doing red, I would just do a really lighter red, just like this, you see? And then just probably gonna center this as well. There you go. And then you can just, you can just add a link to that button. And you can just kind of go from there. So yeah, guys, I hope this helped you guys out. And if it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe, just so that you can keep up to date with all the other WordPress marketing videos that I come out with. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.